What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video. And in today's second video, it's going to be a special video. So we're going to start out with a quick update on Bitcoin. This is going to be like a 3 or 4 minute update on Bitcoin. At the end of this video, I'm going to thank you guys so much for my 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. And it all comes down to every single one of you guys supporting me every single day. So let's jump straight on into the Bitcoin analysis first, okay? So what we have right now is, you guys know, back here in January, we were in a bull flag and we're also in a symmetrical triangle, right? So we broke out of both, you guys know, earlier in February, and we broke up to the upside. We hit our measured move. You guys can see this line here from our swing high to our swing low of the symmetrical triangle. At our breakout point, we hit that perfect measure move exactly, and we're starting to pull back now. But you guys know we also have our breakout point, which is our measured move of the bull flag, which is the pull, right? Our bull pull at our breakout point of the bull flag would give us a approximate breakout point all the way up towards $57,180. So that's an absolutely massive move that could be coming for Bitcoin based on this measured move, right? But everything is not all bullish in crypto world, right? You know, on this channel, we give honest analysis. And right now, we do have a little bit of bearish divergence going on. So you guys can see we're getting lower highs on the RSI and we're getting higher highs on price action, which could push us down here. Now, this is not valid until we really stop our run. So if we get a couple red daily candles here and we move a little bit further down and our RSI continues to go down as well, right, that would confirm this, okay? But this is not confirmed until we get slightly more downside action on Bitcoin, all right? This is not completely confirmed yet, so don't take this for financial advice. Always don't take my advice for financial advice, all right? It's just my opinion. But you can see how perfectly that measure move played out. And if TA was to respect the analysis again, at some point we should be going up to around that $57,000 level. So that's the daily chart, guys. Now let's switch on over to the 4 hour. And you can see on the 4 hour, we have something opposite going on. So we have a little bit of bullish divergence on the 4 hour. We can see our last swing low to swing low on our price action, right? We're getting higher lows in price action, lower lows on the RSI. So that could push us up here short term. And that's exactly what we want to annihilate this bearish divergence and completely invalidate it, okay? So we want to pump out of that. And you can see our major support line that we're holding right now is such a key area. You can see back here, we held it as support, and that was our resistance all the way back here. It was our support throughout here, right? Support again, support again, support again, support until we dump below it, and it was our resistance again, right? And now it is confirming as support twice. So we want to stay above that line to really not, have a huge dip. You can see every time we go below that line, right? Right here, right here, right here, we tend to have good size corrections. So as long as we can hold that support line, I think we're good in the short term. We want to continue this bounce to the upside, and this 4 hour bullish divergence should continue to push us up to the upside and for us to hit this daily target on the RSI, okay? So that's 4 hour, guys. Super important there to watch this because these 4 hour bullish divergences usually push us back up to the upside. So switching on over to the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at our Fibonacci. So look at how big all the way up our Fibonacci's have been. Now we're right at that 2.618 Fibonacci, right? We just wicked up to it. That's right about at 47,500. So we got rejected from that short term, all right? That's expected because if we look all the way up on these Fibonacci's, right, since we started, really, well, you can say, well, let's look here. So on our bear market, our first impulse was straight up to that 0.618 Fibonacci, and then we pulled back, right? And then our first pump was perfectly to that 382 Fibonacci, right? Our second pump was perfectly to that 0.5 Fibonacci, right? And then we skipped a few of them and we went straight up to our 1 Fibonacci, right? Skipped a few of them, pumped up, didn't quite get to that 1.618, but then we pulled back and we actually confirmed the 1.618 as support, before moving up. And right now we're just getting rejected at that 2.618. So a lot of short-term traders are going to take profits here as we're hitting that 2.618. So it makes sense that we're consolidating right under that level. But you can see our next Fibonacci at that 3.618 is all the way up there towards $65,000. So that is our next target for Bitcoin if we can break this 2.618 Fibonacci at about 47,000. It's really like 47,500 is that Fibonacci. So big stuff could be happening there for Bitcoin. And same thing as the daily. If we can continue this price action up, hopefully we can invalidate this possible bearish divergence on the weekly chart as well. You can see we're getting higher highs in price action, lower lows so far on the RSI, but we need to see a downturn here to confirm that on the weekly. So far, we haven't really confirmed that. But anyways, guys, this is why I'm so excited for Bitcoin, because 65K is our next resistance. All right, so that's the video on Bitcoin today. I did want to take the end of this video to thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. I never would in a million years would have thought that we would hit 10K subscribers in the amount of time that we did. Never mind me even hitting 1,000 subscribers ever, right? When I started this channel, it was really for fun, right? It was really for fun me to talk about charts because I have a huge passion for charts. If you guys didn't know that I could sit in front of this computer and look at charts all day. I love math. I love graphs since I was a kid. And this is just a perfect thing for me to do. And it really comes down to you guys supporting me every single day. I started in this channel when I was in a rough spot in my life. All right. It not really financially, right? But more so mentally. There's a middle of crazy that's been happening last year. I can't say the full word, so I'm gonna edit that out. But it was during a tough time, and you guys coming in here giving me support every single day has really helped me get through that. And we're killing it right now, right? So 10,000 subscribers in the amount of time that we did. I owe it all to you guys hitting up that like button every day, leaving the support and helpful comments in the comment section. That goes such a long way, and I hope I can be motivation for you guys to start something that you might have an idea of doing, but you don't think you have any hope of it growing, or you don't have a hope of you doing anything with it, right? When I started this channel, I did not think it was going to go anywhere. I'm not the type of person to sit in front of a camera and talk. I'm actually a generally introverted person in real life, so I didn't think this was going to go anywhere. But I owe it all to you guys, and I hope you guys, I can be inspiration for you to show you that it is possible to at least get a small following, or if you're going to start a business, to at least get a small clientele, even if you don't think you can do it. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I will be live streaming today, probably around, I'm going to call it 7:30 Eastern Standard Time right now. If it's a little bit later, I apologize just because I'm taking a while to get these videos up. But if you guys are new to the channel and enjoyed today's content, hit that subscribe button down below. Appreciate every single one of you guys that does it. I really, really do. So I'll see you guys in the live stream. Let's keep this grind going. See you in an hour. Peace.